This is Rollei SL 85, very compact camera, strong, hard case, nice clean lens, as you can see, extremely clean. 3 frame rates, 12, 18 and 32. You need to put the batteries in first. You need to open the lid here underneath, most probably would need a coin. Sorry about that. Need a little bit more. Okay, as you can see, the battery compartment is extremely clean. You need to follow the instructions on the side. You'll see some signs. Those motors are a little bit harder to close, but anyway, you need to spin it well to close it well. As it says underneath, made in Germany. 12, 18, 32. Okay. Automatic zoom works very well as the manual one. Focus works well. Great little camera. We'll test it out in the next part cartridge. As you can see, this is color chrome 40. We'll mark it, put it in, close the lid, just a second, and open. No mark. As you can see, all good. And again, 18. I wouldn't put the 32 on as there is no film inside. Great little gem. Please follow and subscribe and enjoy.